would definitely tell any young stylist today, like, I'm a firm believer that a young stylist coming out of beauty school should really go into a salon that has a system in place like that. You know, everybody wants to go and get their salon suites right out of beauty school, and I just think it's a bad idea. I really
Mhm.
do. I just think it's a bad idea for new stylists out of beauty school to just go and get a suite.
Mhm.
Because who's going to push you? Who's going to motivate you? Who's going to do all the things that, that you need? You don't have anybody to watch. You're just in
Right.
your four walls and you're just doing what you think is good.
Right.
But is it? Is it really good? I mean,
Yeah.
that's the problem with a lot of our stylists today. I think they're so busy tooting their own horn and they don't go for more education.